Oh my God, so cute. And I can keep moving this. Yep, yep, yep. Come on, get back, girl. It's okay for me to move it, right? Obviously, because I got to follow it. Cute. Where is it? There it is. Who's doing that? Who's doing that? There you go. Is that Ashley? Does this have sound? See here, my. There you go. What's she doing that for? You're going to pretend you don't want to get it? Oh, really? You think so? I think you're fooling. I think you're fooling. Get up on those hind legs again. Yeah, yeah. No, you don't? Oh, there you go. Going to have to call you Stretch. Mm-hmm. There you go. Cute. Aww. Brad, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, come on. You're faster than that. Come on. Yeah. Hold on to it with this. You're not going to hold on to it with your teeth? No. There you go. Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah, Nestor's going to pretend she doesn't care, right? Yeah. Oh, there you go.
I'm scared if I leave it on my arm, she's going to attack me.
No. If you leave it on your arm? Oh, no. Do it a little bit higher, like Stan said. You know, just see if she jumps for it. No. Maybe just a little slower, huh? Oh, there you go. Come on. Bambi. Oh, there she goes. Hang on, girl. There you go. Enough? No, that's okay. Shall I?